Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the bumper cover on that Sonata right here, guys. This one particularly is a 2008 model, but it will be the same for should be the same for the whole generation from 2005 all the way until 2010. Don't forget to check out our main channel, World Mechanics, guys. It's growing crazy fast, and thank you for the support. Now, what we will need to do, there is a screw that we'll need to remove, or a clip. Okay, right here, you can see towards the front of the tire. Okay, with a Phillips screwdriver. Trying to get to it there. Okay, it's right there, guys. Trying the best here to show you. Okay, you can see. So we need to remove it all the way now. Okay, and it's out. Just a regular screw. Okay, like that. We have one like that on the other side. We'll demonstrate, guys, on the left side. The right side was hit, so a few things will be missing, but we will still show you. But it's a mirror. Look for both. Okay, now we're underneath there, and we need to remove that clip there. You unscrew the middle part, okay, and then you can pull the whole clip out. Okay, that's what it looks like. So make sure you get this one. It's attached to the fender liner there. There used to be another clip right there, guys, but this one is broken. Unfortunately, we won't be able to show you, but it's the same kind of clip. Okay, and next we'll need to remove those right there, those clips. Again, unscrew the middle part and pull the whole thing out. Okay, that's what it looks like, identical, and one right here. Sometimes those will not unscrew that easy, so you have to pull them with a flathead screwdriver. Okay, second one now out. Then we need a 10mm socket, and we need to remove that bolt right here and one there as well. Okay, and we don't have much to do now, guys. That screw that I told you about right here, that is missing. Okay, it's usually right here, you can see where it is, but it's missing because it's been hit on this side. And the two clips on the bottom. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to hold it good because the bumper will come off. You need to start pulling it on one side first. It goes in the clips, okay, just like that. It will go there as well. Okay, like that. And the whole bumper cover, guys, will come out of there, as you can see, just like that. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.